Hi everybody, today is October 2nd, 2020. I can't believe it's October. So I just recorded a video for Guildflow, and considering I am shaven and litten, and we got the camera on, I figured I'd say hi. So yeah, a general update on things for me. Um, Basically keeping busy. Uh, so I started this thing on my blog, where I basically have been doing these like week ending kind of synopsis. I like it for myself as more than anything because it kind of gives me an opportunity to kind of look back and understand like what I did this week. And basically I've been thinking about this a lot more, trying to really come up with like what my goals are and really make sure that the time I'm spending is dedicated to the goals. Because like the problem is like you can, if you are dedicated, fill your entire day with very much busy work. And I want to try to avoid that. And so this is kind of one way that I can help battle it. I'm not saying I'm there yet, but I'm just saying I'm working on it. But yeah, I've got a couple active projects, Guildflow being the most prominent one. Progress is being made on that. The video just did, which I'll probably publish on Monday, is a video demo of the custom pages and editable navigation feature. And I'm really proud how that's turned out. Also finished some work on Legalese, so posted like terms of service and privacy policy and got that public. And I've also started a lot of work on a big marketing revamp. So one of the things which I don't think I've really talked about much on the video has been this idea that like right now the Guildflow website, marketing website, is very much dedicated towards like privacy and data ownership. And like one of the things I discovered as I kind of like interviewed people was like, even though people valued that, that was not something that they were like actively seeking out. And so even though like there's still there's still going to be a lot of privacy, there's still going to be a lot of data security and data ownership stuff in Guildflow. I'm not getting away from that, but from a marketing angle, I think it's better to kind of pick something a little bit more focused and direct. And so in the upcoming marketing updates, you'll see a lot more focus on Guildflow as a host of technical groups, and specifically talking about features that are currently functional, and then some that are more in the design state that help people, solve those needs within that kind of context. So we'll see how that goes out. It's definitely a lot of work. Working on marketing copy takes me a long time. I spent many hours earlier this week just working on arguably, which is like 2 pages of text. But anyway, that's moving along. As far as technical features go, the next big technical feature, which I've started on, is the ability to do messaging. So having a group organizer being able to send out a kind of broadcast message to the entire membership. And then, as that gets working, basically kind of start to filter it down. So basically they can send messages to people who have RSVP'd to an event, and or just arbitrary searches and filters. But like one of the key concepts is like these messages will have like a business domain within the application. And so they'll like each person will have an inbox and the messages will be there. And then the idea is that like email will be like the notification channel for these messages. I am going to include the full message in the email. Like I'm not going to be one of these sites that like forces people to come back to the website to actually read the message. But I want to make sure that the message actually lives within the application and has a space. So that way, if people don't want to get email notifications and instead they prefer SMS or push notifications or something else, they could do that and the message is still there. Anyway, that's coming along. I'm actually utilizing the Postmark broadcast service, which is currently in beta. And we'll see how that works out. Actually, I'll be doing some Elixir stuff related to that is more public. And I'll share that when it's ready. But yeah, Guildflow is moving along. Other than that, I'm still active in my Android book club, and we're working through the book. And I'm also doing lots of experimentation with Jetpack Compose, which is like the declarative UI version of like Swift UI in Android and Kotlin. Still not 100% sure if actually that's the road I want to go for building a mobile Android app for Guildflow. It's still like an alpha. I mean, and so there's definitely some rough edges. Even with Swift UI, like I'm still not 100% sold on that, at least for like today. Like I like the ideas, but it's just there's a lot of rough edges, and I don't know. We'll see. But book club is going well. Really enjoying that. And then I've been doing a lot of like work on finding projects. So I make a living as a consultant, and I've haven't had a consulting project in a little while, and so I'm really trying to hit the pavement, if you will, the virtual pavement. And so I've been doing some interviews, some pairing with people, some smaller scale projects, which are more like evaluation level type things. And those are going well, and it feels like something's going to land probably within this month. So fingers crossed on that. And yeah, other than that, playing video games at night for a little distraction. And then thinking about those big goals. I keep itching to do more like educational stuff with Elixir. I don't really have any announcements on that yet, but that is something that keeps coming back in my head of things I'd like to do, and basically trying to figure out what I could do that would be in a unique space, because there's a lot of people doing video content with Elixir already, and like I don't want to like just regurgitate what they're doing. I want to try to find a unique spin on it. And so yeah, I don't know. That's in my head. Again, nothing really to share now, but just this is very casual kind of space. So, yeah. Anyway, it's Friday. It's raining out, so I didn't get to walk today, which is why I'm up a little early and catching up on videos. But hopefully you guys are doing well and being safe. Yeah, I'd love to hear what you guys are up to. If you have any comments on my stuff or just what you're working on. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.